This is BBC News, broadcasting in the UK and around the world. I'm Ben Brown. Our latest headlines. Britain's Prime Minister Boris Johnson announces strict new curbs on life in the UK in order to help tackle the spread of coronavirus. The British public will only be able to leave their homes for a number of specific and very limited reasons, and the police will enforce it.
Without a huge national effort to halt the growth of this virus, there will come a moment when no health service in the world could possibly cope, because there won't be enough ventilators, enough intensive care beds, enough doctors and nurses.
A new warning from the head of the World Health Organization, who says that the coronavirus pandemic is accelerating rapidly.
To win, we need to attack the virus with aggressive and targeted tactics, testing every suspected case.
The coronavirus death toll in Spain continues to rise. More than 2,000 people with the virus have now died in the country. Meanwhile, deaths in Italy have dropped for a second day in a row as the country enters an even tougher lockdown. Hello and welcome. The UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced the most drastic limits to people's lives that Britain has ever seen in an attempt to curb the coronavirus pandemic. Without a huge national effort, Mr Johnson has said that there will come a moment when the British National Health Service will not be able to cope and more people will die. BBC's political editor Laura Kuenssberg has this report.